This is the icon, the classic, the SM58. This is the one that set the standard for all other microphones, in my opinion. This is specifically tailored to be a vocal microphone. It's got kind of a roll off on the bass. It's got a nice warm bottom end, and it gives you those mid ranges and highs that are specifically tailored for a vocal mic. Now, this thing is built to withstand all kinds of abuse. If you ever go to a bar that provides their own sound system and they got microphones up there, they're probably SM58s. Because you could smash, these things get smashed around all the time and they hold up so well. They're just a great microphone. This one here has an on-off switch, and it has actually like a shock mount inside of here and a built-in windscreen on here. It has a built-in pop filter in here too. A little shock mount in there to cut down on the noise. This thing is just a classic. It's super durable. I've had several of these and I've had them for years. I've used them on stage where they're covered in rust. They're just beat all over the place and smashed in, and they still work time and time again. This one uses an XLR, 3-pin connector like this you're gonna find in a cable like this. You just plug it in and go. In my gig bag, I always have an SM57 and an SM58 in there because they're just extremely reliable. And if something happens to the one I'm currently using on stage, I know that I've got a microphone in my bag that I can completely rely on in any situation. The Shure SM58.